Dear colleagues and friends, when you open this letter, you must be enjoying Christmas and New Year holiday with friends and family. Here, all of us from Vogel, China, wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We also have a lot of good news to share with you. This year, we moved to a new office, which is spacious and clean, and we'll look forward to seeing you all here in the future. This year is also the 25th anniversary of MM and AI China. Although we cannot celebrate together, but the greeting videos sent by our German colleagues make us feel warm.
Hallo, Yimen Hao, liebe Kolleginnen und liebe Kollegen von Vogel China. Im Namen der Redaktion Automobilindustrie gratuliere ich euch zu 25 Jahren Automobilindustrie China.
Hello from Germany to China. This is Benedikt Hofmann, Editor-in-Chief of Maschinenmarkt Germany. I would like to congratulate everybody at China to the 25th anniversary. We will have a lot more to work together on, and I'm really looking forward to the next 25 years and many more.
Looking back on the past 25 years of Vogel China's history, we're proud and grateful that work with you and having you along. At the last, 2022 is the year of the tiger. We would like to wish all of you a prosperous and thriving new year. We would like to share more great moments with you in the future. Best regards and have a great holiday. Yours, Vogel, China.